Hey guys, this is Dana Lynette. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today's video, we're going to talk about retwisting my DIY Microlocs. But first, I want to get into this hang time a little bit. You know that I stay on here talking about why I ain't got no length or my inches. But I think I'm noticing a little bit of hang time. Let me show you. Do you notice how it's practically sitting there on my neck, like resting on my neck, not barely grazing it? Do you see that? Yeah, I'm excited. Anyway, I was watching a recent video by Naps Are the New Black, and she posted a video of her retwisting her Microlocs. I don't remember how many she has. I have two. Well, if you want to know how many I have, look at my video on my Microloc count, which is posted right before this one. But anyway, she has Microlocs, and she usually interlocks for maintenance, and I also interlock. But after watching her video, I was like, well, maybe that's a thing, because when I see people retwisting Microlocs, it's too many, and then it just comes undone when you wash. I don't put product in my hair, just water, oil, shampoo, hair dye. I mean, you know, a rinse, and maybe some conditioner when I dye my hair. But I was inspired by her video, and I always wanted to try it, and so I did. And I didn't get footage of the actual process, but what I'm showing on the screen is after I retwisted. Did I sit under the dryer? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I sat under the dryer, which why I did water and oil. But yeah, I just used like 2 clips and a couple of hair ties to keep my hair sectioned, and I feel like it looked good. Will I do it regularly? Probably not. I don't know. And the reason I say that is because it took me so long to do. It seemed like it took about as long as a retie would do. The only advantage is I recently retied my hair. Every time I wash about once a week. So when I wash, my roots get fuzzy. And so the retwist freshened up the look, just like with Naps Are the New Black, because I didn't have enough hair to interlock. So if I do it again, it will be because I have something special coming up but don't have enough hair to do a full-on interlock, if that makes sense. Also, it will probably go faster if I do it more. I'm just not used to to twisting. I'm used to interlocking. So maybe once I get like a flow and some hand-eye coordination going on, I kept messing up the rotation. But maybe once I get a flow, maybe it will be a thing. So I'll keep you posted. Stay tuned. But yeah, getting some length, got a good retwist going on. Feeling good, feeling fly. Thanks for watching.